Welcome students, come back with another question. Evaluate integration 0 to log 5 e to the power x root over e to the power x minus 1 by e to the power x plus 3 into dx. Now write the question. Integration 0 to log 5 e to the power x root over e to the power x minus 1 by e to the power x plus 3 dx. Obviously this expression is not integrable function. To make it integrable function, substitute t is equal to e to the power x. Now differentiate this with respect to x, dt by dx, that is equal to e to the power x. So dt is equal to e to the power x dx. Now change the limits or convert the limits when 0, e to the power 0 means 1, e to the power 0, that is equal to 1. When x is equal to log 5 to the base e, t is equal to e to the power log 5 base e, that is equal to 5, or t is equal to 5. So substitute this 1 to 5 e to the power x dx, we should write dt e to the power x minus 1 root over t minus 1 by t plus 3. Till now it is not integrable function, so we have to remove this root over symbol. To do that, again substitute, let t minus 1 is equal to y square. Differentiate this with respect to y, dt by dy is equal to 2y, or dt is equal to 2y dy. Now change the limits when t is equal to 1, y is equal to 0, when t is equal to 5, put here 5, 5 minus 1 4, y square is equal to 4, y square is equal to 5 minus 1, or y is equal to plus minus 4, or y is equal to plus minus 2. Considering the positive value y is equal to 2, we will write here considering, or y is equal to 2, y is taken as positive, so now change the limits and reduce the function 0 to 2, 0 to 2, root over y minus 1 y. From here, or t is equal to y square plus 1, so y square plus 1 plus 3, and dt is equal to 2y dt, 2y dy, 2y dy, that is equal to y into y, 2y square, y writing here 0 to 2, y square plus 3 plus 1, 2 square dy. Now to integrate this into 0 to y square plus 2 square minus 2 square bracket this y square plus 2 square, or to 0 to 2, when this is divided by this 1 minus 2 square. 2 square means writing 4 by y square plus 2 square whole dy. Now integrating this, now integrable function 2 integration 1 into dy y, and this is minus 4 integration of this 1 by y square as integration dx by s formula 1 by a tan inverse x by a. This is the formula. So here comparing with this, a means 2, 1 by 2 tan inverse y by 2, and y is equal to 0 to 2. That means first replace y by 2 and second replace y by 0. So 2. When we will put y is equal to 2, this will be 2. These 2 will get cancelled. 2 minus 2 tan inverse replace y by 2, 2 by 2. When put y is equal to this portion minus, put y is equal to 0, minus 2 tan inverse 0 by 2. That is equal to tan inverse 0 by tan inverse 0 by 0, 0, 2 to the 4 minus, here okay, 4, 2 to 4, tan inverse 1 means 5 by 4. That is equal to this 4 and 4 will get cancelled, 4 minus 5. So final answer is 4 minus 5. Therefore integration 0 to log 5 e to the power x root over e to the power x minus 1 by e to the power x plus 3 dx, that is equal to 4 minus 5, which is the answer. This is the end of the question. So to get further notification or this type of videos, please subscribe and press the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching this video.